Son of a bitch! If you have a Kenwood TH-74 or TH-75, then I don't have to tell you. The battery life is bad. I don't care how many times you condition the battery. And the only solution I've had up until now is to have more than one battery. Get a couple cheapy knockoffs off of Amazon, or you're going to pay some bucks for an original Kenwood battery, or you can get this battery. So granted, it is a big battery. This is the big daddy of batteries for the TH-74. I'll show you quickly. The fit is very good. The supplier of this battery also includes this standoff for the belt clip. This is the battery that you get. I'm going to show you where I got it in a moment. Oops. This battery is easily serviceable. You can replace the cells in there. I'm not going to pop them out because I've only had this battery pack about 2 weeks. I've been absolutely impressed with it. Compared to the stock battery, I can now practically use this radio. By practically, I mean it's impractical with the stock battery. If you're using the GPS and APRS, which I like to do, then this battery, the stock battery just does not cut it. So there is no spring load on this clip. Basically, there is a little bit of a technique to getting it to fit. Once it fits very well and very tight. All right. No, still not on here. All right, I heard it click on. So once it clicks on very tight, as you can see, and it's pretty solid. The radio stands up real nice. Granted, it's no longer going to just slide in your back pocket. This battery is so good, get yourself a bigger pocket. I don't know what to tell you. The battery life on this is fantastic. So where did I get this battery? Well, let me show you. All right, I got this battery on the W0AEZ.com. I'll put a website. I'll put a link in the description in case you can't remember that. He sells more than just this battery on this site, but this is the one that I got right here. 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and boy, oh boy, it's a good. It's been a good purchase for me. I'm very satisfied with it. And you can buy some replacement parts for it if needed. If you drop it and you break it, pretty sure you can download some of the files to 3D print. I know you can for the clips. I'm not sure about the case itself. But you can get spare parts for it as well. And as I already mentioned, with the batteries themselves, you can just order the batteries and replace the batteries very easily. So what do you get? Well, you get the battery, obviously. Comes in it's not an unboxing video, but it comes in a box. He throws in a couple of extra, well, one extra clip for the bottom of the battery. Those are the screws that I took off of the original belt clip mounting. And keep in mind, there is a lead time. If you look on the website, it'll tell you what the current lead time is. It took me about 4 weeks to get the battery. So yeah, it's not like going on Amazon and you have it sitting on your doorstep in the morning. But it was worth the wait. I've got no complaints about this battery. It's worked out very well. So this is not a new product. It's been out there for a while. I know there's other videos out there on this battery. And I was just so impressed with it. I felt compelled to do a video on it. So that's it for now. 73.